Honestly, I might just eat this entire thing. Hey, I'm Michelle from Cup of Zest, and today we are going to make a little gem lettuce salad with a ton of radishes and a super simple, creamy herb dressing. Let's do it. Let's start by thinly slicing our watermelon radishes. So pretty. Ooh, yeah. These are gorgeous. We're gonna pop them into an ice bath. This is gonna help crisp them up and they're gonna get curly and really pretty. Let's all go in here. Nice, nice. And then we're just gonna slice up some of these standard radishes. If you have any other radishes you really like, use them. But we're just gonna stick with these little red guys. Beautiful. All right, all of them go into the ice bath. We want to let these hang out for like 15 minutes until they get nice and crisp. For the dressing, we're gonna go ahead and start picking leaves off of our parsley. We need about a half a cup. You don't need to be super precious with it, but you also don't want a lot of the big stems in here, okay? It's gonna be super herby. Feels very springy. It's a nice spring salad. It's just one cup, or a half a cup, tightly packed parsley leaves. I think that's great. Just a little bit more, but it's all good. Into our little chopper they go. All right, and now we need some dill. Come here, dill. We're just pulling off some of these cute little fronds, cute little leaves. Herby, dilly, delicious. Can't wait. And a half a cup of dill. I think I want to pack it in there, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I like a lot of dill in my salad dressings. Beautiful. All into this little chopper. And now we just need some chives. And we're just gonna give them a rough little chop. We need about a quarter cup. Yeah, good. Chives are everywhere. And now we're gonna add in about a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm just gonna do half of this little lemon. There's a lot of seeds in there. And then we're just gonna add in 2 tablespoons of water. And then we're gonna pulse this a few times just to chop everything up. Looking good. There's still some big pieces in there, totally fine, because we're gonna chop it up some more. So a quarter cup of Greek yogurt goes into our food processor, your little chopper, whatever you got. If you don't have a chopper, you can totally make this by hand. This is just an easier way to do it. All right, so a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. We're gonna add in the olive oil too, a quarter cup as well. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, or a little bit more if you like mustard like I do. Like a good friend of mine loves mustard too, and you know she would love this salad. About a quarter teaspoon of salt and a little black pepper. Freshly cracked black pepper is always the way to go. Want that really in there. Easy peasy. I mean, this looks so great already. Now what I want you to do is to taste this dressing. And when you taste the dressing, always taste your dressings with whatever you're eating it with, okay? So for our salad, lots of radishes. I'm gonna dip a radish in here and make sure I like the dressing. Yeah. This is great for me, I love it. I might actually add a little bit more pepper. I'm gonna salt and pepper the salad too once everything's dressed, but this is fantastic. And remember, you can adjust the seasonings as you want, so you know, have fun with it. To assemble our salad, we're gonna go ahead and put half of our salad dressing into a large bowl. If you wanna just go for it and put it all in there, you totally can. I'm gonna start with half. We're gonna take our little gem lettuces and cut off the ends. And just separate these leaves. Right into the bowl they go. Now we're gonna take a bunch of snap peas and we're gonna go ahead and just slice them, chop them up a little bit. I'm just gonna chop them or slice them in half on a bias. This ain't gonna be pretty. Like pretty things over here. It's gonna go there. All right, all of our snap peas go in. And we can't forget our watermelon radishes. So I've got a dish towel here. We're gonna go ahead and just basically take all the radishes out and dry them off a little bit, because we don't want them to be super wet when they go into our salad. Oh, look how pretty they are. I cannot get over it. Lots of radishes in the salad. It makes me very, very happy. Got most of them. And we're just gonna dry these radishes really well. And they're gonna go right into our bowl with the rest of our salad. And now we're gonna toss it with our hands. You wanna get all in there. This is the best way to really dress your salad, to be honest. Beautiful. All right. All of it is going right onto our big platter. You don't wanna make a mess like me, you could just like pick up the salad and put it on here, but you know. You want all those little bits. So pretty. All right, so this looks dressed enough for me. So I've got a little extra salad dressing here because if your friends want more salad dressing, you should not deny them of that pleasure. And I just want to add a little extra dill because I love it. Some nice big pieces. And some extra chives too. I'm gonna cut them fairly large. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fantastic. Doesn't this look gorgeous? All right, lastly, we're just gonna add a little flake salt and a little more black pepper. You know, love it. Whew, yes, this looks fantastic. I cannot wait to dive in. And you know what it's gonna go really well with? Quiche, which you can find right here. There's a quiche recipe right here for you. Make sure to check it out. And you know what? Forget that plate. I'm just gonna dive in. Love. Love, love, love.